Friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki, and today I'm doing a very highly requested video. We are talking about Ulta shopping hacks. So I did this video for Sephora, so if you haven't seen that video, the Sephora hacks, I'll leave a link to it on the screen. I'll leave a link to it down below. There were some good hacks in there, but a lot of you said you shop at Ulta more, which I thought was very surprising. I thought a lot of people shopped at Sephora more, but honestly, I really prefer Ulta's reward system over Sephora. So let's jump in. Now, this is a hack that I mentioned in my Sephora hacks video that I'm going to mention here because you can do it at Ulta too. Buy discounted gift cards that people just want to unload, they don't want, and you can use them at Ulta. I save big doing this. I feel like a lot of people don't talk about it. I don't know why. With Sephora specifically, you can really save big because Sephora has locations inside JCPenney, and you can get JCPenney gift cards really steeply discounted, and then you can use that JCPenney gift card in the Sephora and JCPenney. But Ulta, you don't get as steeply discounted, but you still can get a lot. So let me give you an example. Let's say there's specific websites where you buy these. I like to buy mine on eBay. Let's say someone has a $100 gift card to Ulta. They don't want it. They don't shop at Ulta. They're not interested in it. Their grandma gave it to them and they're just like, oh, thank you so much, grandma. I love it. And then they go to eBay to try to make some money. So they have a $100 gift card to Ulta and they sell it to you for $80 or $70. Just the other day, sometimes some people really want to get rid of it like quickly, and they do this because they want the cash. They don't want the gift card. I was able to get a $100 Ulta gift card from eBay for $40. And the girl was just like, I asked her, because you can email people questions on eBay. I was like, you know, how do I know this works? Is it valid? She was like, I'll even like give you part of the code, you know, the code to authorize it. Or no, somehow I was able to check online to make sure it was a valid gift card, but I wasn't able to use it. And she was like, I just don't want it. I don't shop at Ulta. So I bought it. It worked. And I saved like what, $60 or $55 on an Ulta gift card. So check it out. A lot of people don't talk about this. There are just some people that just want to unload gift cards and they don't want the gift card, they want the cash. So you can do this for anywhere, friends. I'll leave a link to eBay where I buy mine down below. You can do it for Ulta, Sephora, Macy's, Nordstrom, everywhere. People get a crap ton of gift cards for gifts and they just don't want them. They'd rather have the money. So that's a way you can save quite a bit. Did you know you can stack drugstore, like manufacturer coupons at Ulta? So what do I mean by that? Let's say you're looking at Maybelline, you're looking at Revlon, and you have a Revlon specific coupon from Revlon or from like the newspaper or something that says $3.50 off a Revlon mascara. And then you also have that $3.50 off of 15 coupon directly from Ulta. You can use both of those coupons at Ulta. So I really encourage you to go and find some drugstore coupons for like Maybelline, Revlon. You can find them in newspapers and magazines. Sometimes you can just print them offline. Go and download those coupons and you can stack it with Ulta's coupons. Like one time what I did was I had the example I just gave you. I had a $3 off, I think it was a Maybelline mascara. Plus I had $3.50 off of 15 for Ulta because I had I didn't have the app then. I just got the app. I had their little like mailer thing where they mail it to you with the coupon on it. So the mascara was $15, which, by the way, that is very expensive for a drugstore mascara. So I essentially got the mascara for half off because I got the $3.50 off and then I got the $3 off. So stack your coupons, do your due diligence, go and get those drugstore coupons. You can stack coupons at Ulta. But I think most of you know, if you've ever shopped at Ulta, sign up for their rewards program. If you have not done it, do it now. It's free. You give them your email, your phone number. They'll start to email you coupons. You get a birthday gift, and there's different levels. I have it up on my screen. So to be just a normal member, it's free. You don't have to spend any amount of money per year. You're just a member, and you get you earn points per dollar. You get a free birthday gift, and you get 2 times the points on your birthday month. And the points accumulate to use as money off to buy makeup, product, whatever you want. So like if you have a certain amount of points, you get $10 or $20. It really adds up, especially if you shop there as much as I do. And I know a lot of you shop there a lot. So there's the free one that you don't have to spend any money at all. And then you can reach the platinum level, which is if you spend $450 in a calendar year. And for that one, your points never expire. So if you're the free member, your points do expire. If you see me looking down, I'm reading it from their website. If you're a platinum member, meaning you spend $450 in a calendar year, you get a birthday coupon, your points never expire, and then all of those benefits I mentioned for the member. Now, if you're a diamond member, this is new. I actually featured this in a quickie with Nikki, my quick videos. If you're a diamond member, that means you have to spend $1,200 in a calendar year. You earn points faster, so for every dollar you spend, you get 1.5 points as opposed to 1 point. And in addition to all those other benefits I mentioned, you get free shipping on orders over $25 for the entire year, and you get a $25 gift card to use in the store, and your points never expire. So it's pretty cool. Plus, they email you coupons all the time. Do not unsubscribe from Ulta's emails. They email you some great coupons. So if you have not signed up for the Ulta Rewards program, I will leave a link down below. It's free, and then the more money you spend there, the more they reward you. I really like Ulta's rewards program over Sephora. You guys let me know in the comments down below. I'm pretty sure most of you are going to say you prefer Ulta. Do you prefer Sephora's VIB system, or do you prefer Ulta's reward system? I prefer Ulta, but let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Did you know if you refer someone to Ulta's rewards program, you both get $15 off at their salon? Not all Ultas have hair salons, but a lot of them in Los Angeles will actually have a hair salon in the Ulta because they're pretty large here in LA. But if you refer someone to the Ulta Rewards program, you get $15 off a salon appointment, and so do they. So you both get a $15 off coupon, which is pretty good. Now, this is a hack I feel like most of you know, but if you don't know, if you're going to shop at Ulta, Sephora, anywhere online, go through Ebates. I'll leave a link to my referral link to sign up. If you use my link, I think you get a $10 gift card to your store of choice. Like you can choose Target, Amazon. Ebates is basically a site where you go through Ebates before you go do your online shopping. So let's say you want to buy some stuff on Amazon. You go to Ebates, you type in Amazon, and it'll show you how much cash back Ebates will give you for shopping through Amazon through their link. The way it works is that Ebates gets a portion of the commission. Basically, Amazon says to Ebates, okay, we'll pay you 10% if you send us a customer. And then Ebates will split that commission with you, and you get the cash back every 3 months. It's amazing. It's free. You just sign up with your email, and anywhere you shop online, like before I go shopping anywhere online, I go to Ebates, you type it in the search bar. If the store is there, it'll say, oh, for Ulta this week, you get 10% cash back. Sometimes I've seen Ulta for 15% cash back. So not only are you going to get cash back from shopping with Ebates, you're going to use your coupons. You're going to go to your app, see if you have any coupon codes, and you're going to be using your gift card that you bought through eBay. So all will be great. You're going to be getting cash back, and it's amazing. Sometimes I've seen Ebates offer cash back to Ulta for like 15%. It's amazing. I'll leave a link to it down below. It's free to sign up. Try it out. A lot of you have probably tried Ebates. If you have, let us know in the comments down below how much you like it. I use it so much that I think the last time they paid out, because they pay out every 3 months, I think I got like $200 in cash back. I use it all the time. Definitely check it out. So I think we're starting to get into the hacks that probably a lot of you don't know. If you do know these, let me know in the comments down below. I did my digging and my research, and a lot of these I didn't know. I knew about the rewards program. I didn't know about the Ulta hair salon, which is pretty cool. So hack number 3 is Ulta comes out with a 20% coupon 4 to 5 times a year for platinum members, and then 3 times a year for everybody else. Is that right? I have notes down here. Yeah, it's about 5 times a year for platinum and what's the other one? Platinum and diamond members, but it's 3 to 4 times a year for everyone else. And you get 20% off all brands at Ulta. So that is the perfect time to buy your higher end products, because a lot of times with Ulta coupons, you can't use them on what they call the prestige brands. So what does that mean? The brands like Ulta, Stila, First Aid Beauty, the more higher end brands, you can't use their coupons on those brands. But it's like 3 to 5 times a year. Wait to buy that stuff when they release that coupon, because that's a good deal. You get 20% off. And if some of those products are on sale, you also get the sale price plus the 20% off. So really make sure you stay up to date with your Ulta coupons, your emails, which leads me to hack number 4. Download the Ulta app. Every time I go into Ulta, where's my phone? I don't know where my phone is. I always have the Ulta app with me because they have the latest and greatest Ulta coupons. They have that standard one that's, what is it, like $3.50 off of 15. So you always have that one. have it on your phone, download the app. It's free and it has the most recent coupons. Please download that app. I feel like a lot of people don't even know Ulta has an app. Honestly, until I filmed this video, I only had the Sephora app. I didn't have the Ulta app. I have it now. I love it. So many great coupons. Download it, friends. You need it in your life. All right, follow me here. This one gets a little confusing, but this is pretty cool. Ulta applies your discounts and your coupons after you reach a minimum spend. So let me give you an example. Let's say Ulta has, which they often do, let's say they have a sale saying if you spend $25 on Clinique, you get a gift bag worth $100 with Clinique product in it. Cool, right? That's awesome. They do that pretty frequently. Maybe it's not like a $100 gift bag, but it's like a $50 gift bag. So you're like, okay, I'm going to go into Ulta, I'm going to spend $25 and I'm going to get that gift bag. Well, what Ulta does is, let's say you go to the register, you ring up your stuff and it says exactly $25 and you have a coupon from Ulta, that coupon, because you have your app, right? The coupon that gives you $3.50 off of $15. So what Ulta does is they ring up all your stuff, it hits $25, and then after they've rung everything up, you're at $25, Ulta will then apply your $3.50 gift card. So your $3.50 coupon. So your total went from $25 to what, $22.50, and you still get that gift bag with purchase, because to Ulta, you hit that $25, that's it, you get the gift, and then they take the money off. So technically, you're only spending $22.50 and you still get the gift. Does that make sense? Rewind this part, pause it, rewind a little bit, and then listen to it again. Because when I first was researching this, I was like, wait, what? And then I got it. A lot of stores do not do that. Sephora doesn't do that. A lot of just shopping stores don't do that. What they'll do is they'll apply the discount before. Let's say they ring it up and it's $25. So then they take off the $3.50. It's $22. And they're like, oh no, you need to spend $3.50 more before you can get your gift. Ulta does it after the fact. That's pretty awesome. And I feel like a lot of people don't know about that. So technically, you only have to spend $22.50 and you get the gift. It's only a couple bucks, but you know what? A couple bucks adds up to a lot of bucks, which adds up to a lot of bucks, which adds up to $1 million bucks, to $1 billion bucks. It adds up, friends, okay? It adds up. This is another hack I didn't know of. What hack are we on, like 7 or 8? Shop the hair care, the shampoos, the conditioners when Ulta has their Jumbo Love sale. So they usually have this sale on, it's specifically shampoo and conditioners. I don't know if this year they'll extend it to more hair care, where you can get high-end shampoos and conditioners for like 70% off. This is a good time to stock up on those really expensive, like $40 shampoos or those like $50 conditioners. It's usually in January and July. They may change it this year, but as I'm filming this, they currently do it in January and July, and it is an amazing time to stock up. Go in the store. They also offer it online. Let's see. It's usually brands like Matrix, Redken, TIGI, which I've never heard of that brand. And they also have a gorgeous hair event, which is in May and October. It's not as deeply discounted as the Jumbo Love sale, but I'm telling you, friends, it is a good time to buy that stuff. It's the lowest price of the season they have for those shampoos and conditioners. All right, so those are all of the Ulta hacks. Let me know in the comments down below if you know all of those. If you didn't know some of those, I'm curious because I didn't know all of those. Let's jump into some product reviews. If you're new around here, I do this at the end of all of my videos where I update you guys on products I've either been loving, not loving. First up, I did a full review video on this gold mask. This is the Kazu Beauty 24 karat gold glow mask. It says it lifts, firms, and adds a glow. It's pure luxury, 24 karat gold collection. I believe this is sold on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it down below. I did a full review video on this. I only did it on one side of my face, and I swear my skin looked softer, more radiant. I had a glow. It was like, I was like, what is in this bottle? This is like witchcraft. I couldn't believe it. Go and check that video out. It doesn't have a smell. This is what it looks like. It literally looks like gold gel. It's very thick. You leave it on, you rub it off. It's awesome. I really like this. I've been using it once a week, and I've noticed even the texture of my skin looks good. It says that it improves the appearance of fine lines, lifts, brightens, and detoxes the skin while hydrating. So go and check that video out. I'll leave a link to it down below. I'll leave a link to this down below. I really like this. I will be repurchasing it. It's awesome. So I had never tried, because I've been seeing the gold mask everywhere, like the gold mask trend. I've never tried it before that, and I liked it a lot. Next up, I showed you this in my Halo Beauty update. This is the Volition Eucalyptus Stretch Mark Minimizer. So I'm currently using this to see how it works on my stretch marks. I'll show you some before photos. I want to use this for like a full month before I give you like my definitive thoughts, but so far the texture feels really nice. I like that it's like a thick oil moisturizer because it's very oily. This is what it looks like. It has like a yellow tint, but the smell is wild. It has what does it have? It has cedarwood oil, menthol, and eucalyptus extracts, but the overwhelming smell is like menthol. That's really all I smell. It literally smells like Vicks Vapor Rub, but not as strong. It's very interesting, and it does a little tingle when you put it on. So I'll keep updating you guys. So far, so good. I mean, I can't tell you like definitively if it's lessening the appearance of my stretch marks. I've only been using it for 2 days, but it feels cool. Ooh, it's like tingling on my hand. That's so funny. It literally feels like you're putting Vicks Vapor Rub on. So interesting. So this is a new brand to Sephora. It just recently launched like March 20th. So I will keep you posted. I'll probably do the full review video with the before and after photos after like a month. But I'm going to keep you posted. So far, so good. And then what else do I want to tell you about? Oh, I wanted to update you on the e.l.f. eye mask, the Hydra Essential Eye Mask. I love that eye mask. I'm all about eye masks right now, especially anything that's hydrating because under my eyes have been really dry lately. So I've really been loving that. You can use it overnight or you can use it as just a quick eye mask and put it on for 10 minutes. I've really been enjoying e.l.f.'s Hydra Essential line. I use their lip balm. And then you guys know I love their night cream, their night firming cream. It's expensive. It's $93, but it's worth it. It's awesome. So still been trying out these number 7 goodies, the Hydra, what is this? The hydration mask. And then this is their night cream. I've been enjoying this. You guys know I'm a big fan of number 7. I like their, I have those eye masks. They have like the eye patches that you put on. I really like that. I love their Protect and Perfect serum. That's good. I'll leave a link to number 7 down below. Oh my God. I can't talk, the menthol. I'll leave a link to number 7 down below because it's an affordable line that has some really good skincare, makeup. I really like their stuff, their blush. So that is it for me, friends. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more hack videos down below because I got a whole lot of hacks like for stores like Nordstrom, Macy, Target. If you want to see like a full hack line like playlist, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what store you want to see some hack videos to because I love doing these videos. That is it for me. If you've made it to the end and you have not subscribed, join the family, come and be my friend. You can just click the subscribe button. Don't forget to check out the videos on the screen. I was like, wait, I'm supposed to tell you about the bell. There's a bell next to the subscribe button. If you hit that, you'll get notified of all my uploads. Give this video a thumbs up. This menthol is going to choke me. I will see you soon, friends. Bye.